How to keep it going in bed. Lasting longer in bed is probably an issue most men grapple with more than any other bedroom topic, aside from size, of course. This ever-growing, everlasting, pun intended, search of finding new ways and methods to keep it going might just have come to an end right here.
Want to know about the benefits of weight loss, exercises, and adult circumcision? Yikes! When it comes to extending that stay in heaven, why is it widely accepted and generally agreed upon that lasting longer in bed is definitely more pleasurable for both individuals? Well, it looks like in search of answers, you have come to the right place. So, here you have our list of ways you can pop that cherry all night long. Number 1. A concept that should be common knowledge at this point: body awareness. Something that most men forget about is focusing on their own bodies. Usually younger, inexperienced individuals engaging in coitus are worried about external factors outside their control, such as being caught or being worried about how they present themselves. These anxiety-driven factors cause the sex to be rushed and unsatisfying. You can avoid these occurrences by being more aware about your body and how you respond during sex. Take deep breaths and try to be active with your whole body, not just the penis, making use of non-genital touching, caressing effectively. These methods will lower your OTT excitement levels and bring it back down to earth, extending your time in heaven. Number 2. Foreplay comes up due to its frankly underrated importance in helping you last longer in bed. Aside from the great fact that foreplay allows you to extend sexual activity, according to surveys, it also acts as a need for women to even have orgasms, let alone enjoy the whole process. Therefore, incorporating non-penetrative sex as well as oral sex into your routine is a great way to assure that all parties, regardless of being able to reach a delayed and more enjoyable orgasm through conventional means such as penetrative sex or not, actually do orgasm and enjoy it. Number 3. Unsurprisingly, managing anxiety is equally important as any other method. A lot of the times, men are over-anxious and stressed out about whether they will be able to last as longer as their partner would like them to. This is an unnecessary problem, as constantly thinking about whether they will end up lasting longer or not can have an unintended effect by making them do exactly what they were so stressed trying to avoid. This vicious cycle will inevitably repeat until and unless you are able to have a conversation with your partner, which nicely segues us into the next round. Number 4. Open communication can also be termed as a solution as opposed to a method used to come to a solution. Simply having a proper conversation with your partner and being vulnerable can have great effects on your sex life. By sitting your partner down and speaking to them about your insecurities, you are helping yourself and your partner not to set yourselves up for failure by having some sort of comically astronomical expectations in bed. This open dialogue with your partner can help in breaking down walls and having hidden expectations that neither of you would be able to meet. In the long run, it also greatly helps in your relationship, as being honest seldom leads to any nasty surprises. Number 5. Exercise and just generally being more active can go great lengths in helping you last longer in bed. Heart disease, diabetes, and other conditions arising out of the lack of staying fit and healthy can cause damage to nerves and blood vessels, which in turn changes the amount of blood flowing to the penis, thereby making it harder to get or maintain erections. Exercise can also help in increasing stamina, thus helping both parties last as long as possible in bed. Staying fit and focusing on stamina improving exercises is relatively assured to help individuals last longer in bed, while also trying out certain exercises that helps regulate your ejaculation by identifying the relevant muscles can work wonders if practiced daily. Number 6. Quit prospective hazardous habits like smoking and avoid drunk sex. Smoking, aside from being a leading cause of lung cancer and other fatal conditions, has been proven to cause erectile dysfunction and lower your sperm count. It also generally decreases your vitality and can be possible explanation for a weak performance in bed. Being drunk also makes you lose control of your body, thus impairing your ability to perform well or last long in bed. It therefore suffices to say that if you are up for a long time, try not to have a good time before. Alcohol also impairs your senses, thus making you less aware of your surroundings and likely to satisfy each other. Number 7. Supplements can also be considered as they are widely used throughout the world. If you would prefer to use natural supplements over well-known synthetic ones like Viagra, there are multiple options to choose from. In our video on aphrodisiacs, which you can also refer to, we mentioned natural supplements such as red ginseng, chocolate and spicy food used throughout history and in different cultures to perform better and last longer in bed. If you are apprehensive about using synthetic supplements or approaching your doctor for them, these can be of help too. So, there you have it. That was our list of ways you can improve your and your partner's sex life by lasting longer in the sheets. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos.